Luckily you ain't stressed, oh yes. You got a feeling in your chest, oh yes. Bet you been feeling at your best, oh yes. Tell me you believe in higher powers. Want me too, but when I clench this ride, shit, I know what I could do.
So, hi you guys. So, I'm doing an inventory haul. So, some of my stuff came, and I'm excited. So, first, if you guys, hold on, let me turn this here. Okay, y'all, because the TV was very much loud, so I had to mute her. Okay, y'all, so if you guys know, USPS gives you like free boxes. So I have some free boxes. I have the small size, medium, I was gonna knock myself out. The medium size, and then I ordered some large, and you do not have to pay for these. So if you use USPS, order you some boxes, sis. Okay, now let's get into this inventory because I am so freaking excited. So, I'm excited. Oh my gosh, look at it. Ah! Okay, so I have wig bands. These are to secure your lace. So excited. It's like Christmas, but for your business. So these are the bands, and they look so good. So these are the bands, and they do have the Velcro strap. So, period. Lace wear. Period. They're so cute. Look at them. Oh my gosh, y'all. I am in love. Look at the, oh, I just Velcroed it wrong, y'all. Look at the bands. They are so freaking cute. And they go all the way around, and it does say dolled up, period. Period. So let's get into the bonnets. They are so freaking cute. Look at them. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. And of course, they are pink in the inside, and then, you know. Oh my God. Okay, y'all. So, these are the bonnets, and baby, they are snug. Like, it's not going nowhere. Like, look at it. I'm so in love. They're so cute. Oh my God. All in my phone, I got options, and I don't want to tell you the. Hi, you guys. So, I came to Target to get some shipping labels, and I think I found them. They have like different ones, so I think I'm just gonna get this one. Yeah, I'm gonna get these. Let me show y'all. Okay, so these are the shipping labels that I'm going to get, and they are only $4.99. The crazy part is that they are actually higher online than in Target, but I'm just gonna start with the small quantity first, and then yeah, y'all, I'm so excited. So yeah, I'll see y'all when I get home, because I actually need to learn how to work this printer too. So I'll see y'all later. Bye.
Drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you.